Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still very bullish overall on these higher time frames. I still think this needs to turn into a big WXY. 3 waves up for the wave Y, 3 waves up for the X, 3 waves down for, well, 3 waves up for the W, 3 waves down for the X, 3 waves up for the wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I believe that this first of all is an A of Y and this is a B of Y. I think this right here is a 1 of the wave C of Y. This most likely is a 2 of the C of Y, and I still think this is likely to go up and eventually make that 3, 4, and 5 of the wave C of Y. Heading down to the daily time frame, I personally think that the correction is over. To me, it really looks like it's over. I think this is a downtrend wave A. I think this is 3 waves up wave B. This definitely looks like a downtrend also. It is a higher high, but that doesn't really concern me. Wave C's do quite often make higher highs. I think we got a nice 61.8% Fibonacci bounce. I personally think this is a 1. I think this is a 2. And I'm at least hoping and thinking that this is now going up in a big wave 3. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Oh, on the 4 hour time frame, let's get rid of that. So on the 4 hour time frame, I still think this is more likely a 1. I still think this is more likely a 2. I think we're in a wave 3 already. I think that this is just a correction to that wave 3, like a subdivision of wave 3, and I think it's more likely to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So we do have CPI inflation data coming out today. That's a very important news event for the dollar. I am still very bullish on the Aussie dollar, and I'm still very bearish on the US dollar index, so I still think it's going to go up in a wave 3. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, to me, it looks like impulsive down, looks like 3 waves up. Kind of looks like it might drift down a little bit prior to the news, or maybe it might even turn into a spike reversal at the news, look like that. Either way, like I said, I'm definitely still very bullish on this. I'm definitely still very bearish on the dollar index. I think that we are already in this wave 3, and I think today's news might try to trap people to the short side. But even if it does, I think that the real money is going to be made looking for longs for the continuation of what I believe is a wave 3 to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.